Hello and welcome to TAM Studios. My name is John, a technical account manager based out of Chennai, India. Today's feature review is on file attachment support via public URL for Architect Digital Bot Flows. This feature has been released as of 8th September 2025, and this new feature helps the business to send the audio, video, and file attachments via the digital channels on top of the existing functionality of sending images. If you are interested to know more, please follow along. Genesis Cloud now introduces to send an attachment across messaging channels, which supports digital bots by defining an external that is publicly downloadable URL to send it. Earlier, Genesis Cloud digital bots can only support sending images as part of the communicate and input actions. However, the new enhancement allows to I repeat, however, the new enhancement allows to extend the capabilities of Genesis Cloud digital bots to send attachments like audio, video, documents, and much more. The ability for bots to send file attachments such as invoices, receipts, tickets in the form of PDF, Word, Excel, or PPT across digital channels such as web messaging, I repeat, web messaging and WhatsApp that significantly enhances both automation capabilities and customer experience. This feature transforms bots from simpler responders into a full service digital assistants. Allowing bots to send attachments will reduce operating costs, keeping repetitive and automatable tasks away from the human resources, which are quite expensive. And it helps to improve customer experience by servicing all customers' needs within an initial contact with bot and removing the need to transfer to an agent in order to provide anything as an attachment. Of course, Genesis Cloud messaging channels does have the size limit for transferring file attachments for both inbound and outbound messages. And here are the details. And of course, the restrictions on the file types and the directions can be controlled via supported content profile. Please visit the relevant Resource Center articles to know more about it. It's now time for us to see everything in action. So let's get into a demo. And here we have the inbound message flow as for the testing purpose. And I have attached a bot flow in it. And this is the bot flow attached to it. And for the testing purpose, as part of this particular check account balance task, I have added three different communicate as a response to add audio file using the external URL in one of the communicate. And I have added PDF externally downloadable file. And lastly, using the public URL to see the video file. And of course, the last one is about actual response to say the balance. I, as an end customer visiting a company or a bank website, this is again a test environment where we just injected the web messenger. I'm trying to interact with the bot. And among these options, I'm choosing account balance and I'm just typing in my account number. And the bot responds with the relevant information that we have already implemented. I mean, the administrator have already added these as a response. It is important to make a note that it doesn't make you to get diverted from this particular web messenger application so that you can listen to the audio file. Additionally, you can either download it or you can adjust the playback sound. Like if you want to play it faster, slower, or normal, that's also possible. And for the PDF file, this will be visible within the application. If you wanted to view as a 2 pages, that's possible. If you wanted to check on the properties, that is also possible. And if you wanted to download it or you want to expand it so that it takes you to the external URL where you can view it in the full size or download it. Now all these are possible. And finally, when it comes to the video, you can either play back within the same web messenger tab or the interaction tab, or you can download it. Playback speed adjustment is also possible. Picture in picture, that is, you can expand it or bring it outside of the web messenger, or you can even enlarge it and play it back. So I believe that this demonstration makes you understand how the administrators or the flow authors can design or and implement the other functionalities such as sending an audio, video, or files as an attachment so that the customers can get the maximum out of it, and it improves the customer experience as well. Thank you for watching. And please comment below if you have anything to say or email us with your questions at tamstudios@genesis.com. And that's all for today. Thank you for your time. I hope to see you on the next video.